Have you ever heard the phrase, your greatest investment is in yourself? It's true. Investing in yourself is the foundation for personal growth, success, and happiness. In today's video, we'll explore 10 powerful ways you can invest in yourself to achieve your goals and live your best life. Let's get started. Develop a reading habit. The first way to invest in yourself is to develop a reading habit. Reading is one of the most accessible and impactful ways to expand your knowledge, sharpen your mind, and introduce you to new perspectives. Whether you're diving into self-help books, reading biographies of people you admire, or learning about your career field, reading opens doors to new insights. Even just setting aside 20 minutes a day to read can lead to extraordinary growth. Over time, those minutes accumulate, and the wisdom you gain will be nothing short of life-changing. The best part? Reading doesn't just give you new information, it also helps you think critically and make better decisions. Prioritize your health. Your health is your wealth. Investing in your physical and mental health ensures you have the energy and resilience to achieve your goals. Start by eating nutritious foods, exercising regularly, and prioritizing sleep. But don't stop there. Mental health is just as important. Practice mindfulness, manage stress, and consider incorporating meditation or therapy into your routine. When you're healthy, everything else becomes easier to accomplish. Make it a priority, and you'll notice the positive impact on your energy levels, focus, and productivity. Learn a new skill. Learning a new skill is a fantastic way to invest in yourself. Whether it's something that enhances your career or a hobby you've always wanted to try, learning keeps your mind active and opens up new opportunities. Thanks to platforms like Skillshare, Udemy, and Coursera, it's easier than ever to pick up new skills. From graphic design to coding, the possibilities are endless. The key is to choose something that excites you and start learning today. By investing time and effort into acquiring new skills, you position yourself for greater success in both your personal and professional life. Network and build relationships. Building strong relationships is an invaluable investment in yourself. Surrounding yourself with people who uplift, inspire, and challenge you creates an environment where growth is inevitable. Whether it's through attending networking events, joining online communities, or simply reaching out to people in your field, expanding your network can lead to new opportunities and provide valuable support when you need it most. Building relationships not only enhances your career prospects, but also enriches your personal life with meaningful connections that will last. Create a financial plan. Next, invest in your financial education and create a solid plan. Understanding the fundamentals of budgeting, saving, and investing can provide you with the knowledge to take control of your financial future. Creating a clear financial plan reduces stress, boosts your confidence, and enables you to fund other ways to invest in yourself. There are plenty of free resources online, so don't wait for the perfect time. Start today. Building a strong financial foundation now will pay off in the long run and give you the freedom to pursue your other goals. Pursue personal development. Pursue personal development. Take the time to reflect on your values, strengths, and areas where you can improve. Personal development is all about creating a mindset for growth. Journaling, attending workshops, or listening to motivational podcasts are great ways to start. Over time, personal development helps you cultivate a positive mindset, increase your self-awareness, and become a more resilient individual. Remember, personal development is a lifelong journey, but every small step you take leads to massive transformation. Improve your communication skills. Strong communication skills are essential in every aspect of life. Whether it's public speaking, writing, or simply engaging in conversations, the ability to express yourself clearly and confidently can make a huge difference. Practicing communication, whether through public speaking groups like Toastmasters or by speaking in front of a mirror, will sharpen your ability to connect with others. The more you improve this skill, the more your personal and professional relationships will thrive. Effective communication opens doors, creates opportunities, and helps you present yourself in the best possible light. Take care of your mental health. Investing in your mental health is just as important as taking care of your physical health. Mental well-being is the foundation for achieving your goals, so make it a priority. Seek professional help when needed. Engage in self-care activities, and make time for things that bring you joy and relaxation. Mental health isn't just about avoiding stress. It's about cultivating a positive, resilient mindset that allows you to navigate life's challenges with confidence. A healthy mind fuels your success and helps you stay grounded and focused on your goals. Set goals and create a vision. Setting clear goals and creating a vision for your future is one of the best ways to invest in yourself. Goals give you direction, and having a vision keeps you motivated, even when times get tough. Start by breaking down big goals into smaller, actionable steps, and track your progress along the way. A goal without a plan is just a wish, so take the time to outline exactly what you want to achieve and create a roadmap for getting there. The act of setting goals not only motivates you, but it also clarifies your purpose and helps you prioritize your time and energy. Travel and experience new cultures. Finally, travel and experience new cultures. Traveling is one of the best ways to broaden your mind and deepen your understanding of the world. By visiting different places, you're exposed to diverse ideas, lifestyles, and worldviews, which can inspire creativity and foster personal growth. You don't have to go on expensive international trips to reap the benefits. Sometimes, exploring nearby towns, national parks, or even neighboring cities can offer a fresh perspective. The experiences and memories you create while traveling are invaluable investments in your life. Whether it's meeting new people, trying different foods, or simply immersing yourself in unfamiliar environments, travel challenges your preconceived notions and encourages you to think in new ways. These experiences stay with you, shaping your character and enriching your life in ways that words cannot fully capture. Investing in yourself is the most rewarding commitment you can make. Whether it's learning a new skill, improving your health, or building strong relationships, every effort you make adds to your growth. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more tips, and remember to prioritize yourself. You're worth the investment.